it's Christine for Trinity Stamps with a product close-up of the 6x9 Puffy Cloud stencil from the newest release, Greatest Friend on Earth. So this stencil is 6x9 and it is perfect for slimline sized cards, which are 3.5 by 8.5, or A2 size cards, which are 4.25 by 5.5. So this is a 4-sided stencil. There's 2 sides that are perfect for slimline and 2 sides that are perfect for the A2 size card. So I am going to demonstrate how to use it for both a slimline size panel, which this is a perfect size. This is a 8.5 by 3.5 size panel. So I'm going to use it, show you the slimline portion, and also use it on an A2 card. And as you can see, the A2 sides are not really ideal for the slimline. And that's what makes this product so great, is that it serves both cards. And for the A2 size card, as you can see, you can use any portion of the stencil. You can use the slimline side or the A2 sized side. So here I've sped up the video. I'm using Broken China Distress Oxide ink, and I'm going to ink up a slimline size panel. And as you can already see, it's so beautiful, and it's really easy if you use a light hand. Better to use a light hand than a heavy hand because you can always go over it again. So here I'm just, you can flip it back and forth to get actually 4 different scenes of clouds. So, and now here's the A2 side. So I'm gonna, as you can see, I can use the slimline side. I'm gonna use another portion of the slimline, but I will also demonstrate that you can use the A2 side for the A2 size card, as I'm doing right here. So now I'm using one of the sides for the A2. And it's really easy and a lot of fun. So here are some cards to show you. This is Shauna that used the Rainbow Funshine die in addition to the Puffy Cloud die. Tanya has used the Puffy Cloud die as well as the So Loved die. And Cassie used the same So Loved Stampin' die along with the Puffy Clouds. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this was helpful.